This video is how to add a phone frame to your phone. Yes, I will be doing it right now. The first thing is to download the phone PNG from Google. So from your Google, you can search for phone frame PNG or phone mockup PNG. Download any one you like to your phone. After downloading it, we'll use Inshot to add it. If you don't have an Inshot, you can download it from Play Store. Click on Inshot, click on Video, click on New, select the video that you want to add the phone frame to. Change the canvas to 16 by 9. Click on Go to effect the changes. Click on the plus sign. Select video or photo and select the phone frame. Click on your video again and then look for switch. Click on switch. Hold your video and drag it so that it will be the same length. Click on the video again. Click on mask. Select the third one. Then you can drag the video from this arrow from top. You drag. You can also drag by the side to fit into the frame. So, did you see this arrow? You can drag it to adjust the curves. Once satisfied with your changes, you click on the goose to effect the changes. Click on the goose sign again. Then adjust the length of your phone frame so that it will be the same size with your video. This is, as you can see, it perfectly fits into the phone frame. You can decide to change the canvas to 9 by 16 to make our video look bolder. Did you see it now? So if you look at the bar, you can see that our phone frame carry background. We are going to remove it to look more presentable. So you look for cutout, click on cutout. Click on cutout again and then click on good to effect the changes. Can you see our video is looking more presentable now?
This is how to get the background.
You can decide to add the background if you want. For those people that want to upload it on TikTok, you can click on canvas and change the aspect ratio to TikTok 9 by 16. So once satisfied, you can export your video. So this is how to add a phone frame to your video.